So what stock pushes over 2,700% in just 2 days trading? What's going on, team? It's Ricky with Techwood Solutions, and in this video we're going to be talking about Kodak stock, also known as ticker symbol KODK. And as many of you guys know, it went from $2 all the way up to, as of today, $60 a share. And in this video, we're going to be talking about what caused it to push up, as well as some of the risk involved when trading such a trendy stock. So if you've been waiting for this video, I really hope that we earn your thumbs up in this video. And when you guys heard me say 2,700% growth in just 2 days, we're not talking about Bitcoin. We're actually talking about a company that filed for bankruptcy in 2012, of course, as the camera company. I want to talk about why they have chosen, according to the CEO of Kodak, why the US has chosen to work with Kodak with a $765 million contract, which is of course a loan under the Defense Production Act. And one of the things that you guys have to understand is, of course, it would be much cheaper to outsource the overall production and manufacturing for these pharmaceutical components that have seen a shortage within the past couple of months because of COVID-19 and this overall pandemic. So the effort with this is to be able to utilize the infrastructure that Kodak already has established with a series of different locations and facilities to be able to revive Kodak and make it as one of the world leaders in medical manufacturing and supplies, which I think overall is very exciting. So that's the intent with this loan. And of course, for a company that filed for bankruptcy in 2012 and being able to receive funding, and again, all of this attention within a very short period of time with a $765 million loan, it's very, very fortunate news. And I think it's great that America is, instead of trying to outsource work elsewhere, trying to bring back jobs here in America, making America once again one of the leaders in medical manufacturing and supplies. One of the things that I also want to make sure that I cover is this is a letter of interest. Nothing has been officially signed according to the CEO in a recent interview, but of course they would not be sharing this news if it was not highly likely. And what I want to talk about is a question that we've been receiving so often today is, I don't know if you guys have ever experienced this, why does Kodak, as of today and of course yesterday, stop trading over and over again? Just within the past 15 minutes, Kodak stock has been halted 16 times. And it will most likely continue to get halted throughout the day, just like as it did yesterday. As of right now, I think it's been a little bit over 5 minutes of actual trading that has happened. But market opened just about 2 hours ago. So what I'm here to remind you is that a halt does not just mean that it's increasing in value within a very short period of time. A halt means it increased or decreased a certain percentage within a certain period of time. And it's not always a good action. It's not just because something is very volatile and it's just, pumping. It can do the same thing as it dumps as well. So what I'm here to share with you is, first of all, Kodak and the way that it's trading right now does not meet the criteria of something I would trade. But all I have to say is I respect the way that it's trading and how momentum traders are trading Kodak. That's one of the things that you have to understand. Understanding how to trade a very trendy stock. This isn't something where I plan to buy at $60 a share and plan to hold it. You have to understand, Kodak was trading at $2 a share. Right now, it has a $1.5 billion market cap. Just a couple days ago, it was valued at a couple hundred million. And the reason that I'm saying this is because it is great while something is trending and while something is showing signs of continuous growth. But more often than not, this is very short-lived. Right now, Kodak has a lot of hype and a lot of attention by a lot of traders because of how much it's been pushing up. It's very bullish. And rightfully so, a lot of momentum traders are choosing to take advantage of it. If I was a momentum trader, I would be doing the same thing. I just want to make sure that regardless if I trade it or not, I respect the way that it's trading and I understand the risk involved. If you're a beginner trader and you think that you can buy this and have no plan of action on where you plan to sell, all you know is that it's going to the moon because of something that you read on StockTwits, I'm here to remind you that one of the worst things that you can do is not set yourself up for success. And that just doesn't mean to lock in profits, but that also means knowing when to cut losses. So just as much as Kodak can go up and continue to make higher highs, it can do the exact same in returning to $2 a share. So I am super excited and of course looking forward to Kodak becoming one of the world premier leaders in medical manufacturing and supplies. But it has so much to prove, just like we've seen with Nikola and every other hype stock that pushes up within a very short period of time exponentially, but of course, it's just a matter of time for the hype and the attention to divert, and then it corrects itself, going from $90 a share back to $29 a share. Every single time that you open a trade, it is in your best interest for your future self to make sure that you have a plan. Just understand that you have nothing but time to make money, so please watch your position size and stop trying to make it or break it. Don't be afraid to lock in profits. As one of the sayings that we have within our Learn Plan Profit group is, we make money in the stock market by selling early. Again, there's nothing wrong with knowing when to lock in profits and simply walk away when the risk involved is just too high. And I really want to hear your guys' open opinions on Kodak and what you think is going to follow with the days that come. Do you think that this thing is going to continue to uptrend, or it's only a matter of time for it to correct itself? One of the things that I also want to remind you is, like I said, I'm personally not a momentum trader, but I have my own style of trading. Today I cleared a little bit over $900 profit, and I would love for you to be able to tune on in to one of my live trading sessions. Tomorrow, Thursday, I will be hosting an absolute free live trading session at Market Open. So if you've ever wanted to see what it's like to watch someone trade live in the stock market, seeing my buys, seeing my sells, seeing if I have to cut losses and my thought process behind that, it's absolutely for free, and I would love for you guys to tune on in. You don't even have to save your spot. All you have to do is subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on your post notifications, so at Market Open tomorrow, when it is that I go live, that you get notified. I really hope that we earned your thumbs up in this video. If you guys want to stay connected, you guys can click the first link down below to join our free Facebook group with over 286,000 members. But until then, we'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, team, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy.